The insurance companies in Florida are now coming down on people that have older roofs. So I thought, well, I'm going to beat them to the punch. So I went and I checked different roofing company quotes and what they would offer. And Covenant Roofing was the best. So I chose them. They said it will be here in less than 2 weeks. Well, the week after they came out and they did the roof. That's unheard of. I mean, the time was just incredible. One of the things that they did was before and the after photos, because I wanted to see what the old roof looked like, and they showed me that everything that they said they were going to do actually was done. And that really eased my mind, because I'm not going to get up on the roof to check it myself. They've always had a site manager here before, during, and after the process of putting on a new roof. So I never had an issue with, communicating with the lead guy. He explained to me the process, and everything went smooth and quickly. One of the main reasons that I chose Covenant Roofing was because they were explaining how they were going to take care of my land and my property, because to me that's a very important aspect. We do a lot of work around the house. We keep our lawn beautiful, we keep our shrubs and all the plants beautiful, and I didn't want them coming in here and destroying everything, and they promised me they wouldn't do that. They kept everything tidy, they kept everything in order, everything was nice and organized. And at the end, my property looked just the way it was before they came. The inspector came out and he said, "Who did your roof?" He says, "This is excellent, the way they did your roof." He's asking me. He says, "The local guys around here don't do a good job like the guys out in Leesburg." So after hearing that, I was really happy. That made me even more happy to hear that. I picked a good company. I chose the right one.